Tornado or otherworldly force? I got sucked up by a tornado. It started as an ordinary day, just a walk with a friend, when suddenly, the sky darkened and the wind began to howl. Before I knew it, the ground disappeared beneath my feet, and I was lifted into the air. I remember the sheer power of the storm, the debris swirling around me, and the sensation of being carried away by something that felt far more than just a natural disaster. As I was being whirled around in the vortex, everything seemed to slow down. I could see my friend on the ground, reaching out in sheer panic, but there was a strange calm within me. It was as if time had stopped and I was caught in a moment outside of reality. The experience was surreal, almost like an out-of-body encounter, where the laws of physics no longer applied and I was in the grip of something otherworldly. When I finally touched down, it was miles away from where I had been. Astonishingly, I was unharmed, except for a few minor scratches and a mind reeling with questions. My friend, who had witnessed the entire event, was equally astounded. We both struggled to make sense of what had happened, but the more we